Brett has made an extraordinary difference here at UPMC Children's Hospital. Over 10 years, he raised $1 million. And we're grateful for that, but truly what Brett has brought to UPMC Children's is his personality. You know, he's very humble, his humility, treats people with dignity and respect, and truly what he has done is connected Pittsburgh with UPMC Children's and brought smiles to many patients here just by visiting the kids and spending time with them, and we're so grateful for that.
And through his fundraising, he has helped us support our cancer program that takes care of children from our region and from all over. His advocacy brings awareness to what we do here and the special care that's delivered, and he united a community, including the Steeler Nation, in all that he did to support children.
It's just really heartwarming to know that, you know, fans would spend time and come out and make a difference for this great hospital and these great kids. Coming in and seeing the miracles that happen in here every day really made me want to make a difference. This is for everyone that was involved with Shear to Beard over the last 10 years. The patients, the nurses, the doctors, the behind the scenes, the families that go through it, the support system, everybody. We did it together. We can do and move mountains if we work together and set goals and work to make them happen.